as you're doing it, you're not just mixing it, you're really thinking about how much is this really gonna need. You're taking something and making it better. You're taking ingredients and putting them together with care to bring out the best flavors. You don't just stir the yogurt or the sour cream, you want to fold it, because if you stir it too much, it'll come out watery. You're not going to simply put students through exams and quizzes just to generate grades. You want them to walk out of this semester with meaningful information as they go forward.
Our wealth and capitalism all affect the imagery.
In regards to us developing students at the University of Pittsburgh, the recipe is this. We have all of the ingredients. We have the professors, we have the books, we have the library system, we have the technology. All we have to do is challenge these students to be something better than they are now. In both instances, you're doing this with care, you're doing this with love, and you're doing this to make the ingredients you have better. Sing like a symphony or like within some harmony that is just awesome, that people want the recipe for.